Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today, a little bit different story. We are going to discuss how to prepare good trading plan. What we have to take into the consideration to be able to have the good trading plan and to be ready to trade. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, folks, it's gonna be a little bit different story. Instead of working with the charts, we are going to work with the whiteboard like this. Well, we are going to discuss, as I mentioned before, we are going to discuss trading plan, preparation for a trading plan, right? How to properly prepare the trading plan. It's going to be very useful, especially for the day traders, because that's what I'm going to discuss from my experience. So let's start right here, right now. So the point number one is you have to answer yourself, right? As a day trader, don't forget, day trading doesn't mean that you have to trade each and every day, right? It doesn't mean that you have to trade each and every day. Well, you have to wake up and you have to answer the question, did I wake up at the correct time, right? Well, it depends what kind of the trading session you want to cover, right? If you are covering European, US, or maybe Asia, Tokyo, and Europe, or maybe US and the beginning of the Tokyo, it's up to you. Don't forget the big guys on the trading desk inside the banks. They are covering the one trading session, right? Either they're covering Tokyo, either they're covering London or New York. And to be honest with you, they don't care what is going on during the session. They are not responsible for, right? In our cases, for retail traders, well, very often we are able to cover two trading sessions. So if you are waking up and on time, if you are not disturbing by anyone, then of course you've got your time. You've got your time to make the analysis, right? So before you are going to go and start trading, right, you have to go through the chart. You have to go through the charts and check what has happened and what might happen. It's good if you have plan A, the basic one, and it's very good if you are able to prepare plan B. Based on my experience, if I don't have correct plan B, usually each and every trade, if my plan A, right, failed, and I'm without the plan B, so each and every trade after the plan A failed is not correct, right? So if you have enough power to stop trading at that day, that's quite good. Of course, with that being said, if you have only plan A without the plan B, also you should apply correct money management rule, right? So not that you are trading and doing revenge trading each and every time, but it's quite okay to have plan B. Now, what does it mean? I'm not saying that plan B should be opposite direction trade, right? It might be, number one, it might be opposite direction, right? It could be direction to the other side, but also if we have strong trend with strong plus 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 trend, we might want to trade with that trend after a little bit higher rally or a little bit deeper pullback, depends on the direction, right? So you might be stopped out with your plan A 2 or 3 times, all right? But instead of doing the opposite direction, you may, because you have plan B, you did it, you have a time, enough time this morning, right, to prepare yourself, you might wanna, okay, there is a possibility of the deeper correction, and I'm going to be ready to buy again or sell again from the different levels. So that's quite important. I would say very, very important. Now, if you woke up too late, right, and you are trading 2 different trading sessions, then you might skip, for example, European session because you were forced to drove your kid to the school, because you woke up too late, right? Don't try to immediately start trading, right? Just walk and forget about this particular session. Walk and forget, right? Take your time. Again, being a day trader doesn't mean that you have to trade each and every day. But again, if you are trading both, for example, European and US session, then you skip European and prepare yourself for a North America session, all right? Get back from your walk a little bit earlier, go through the charts and be ready for what is going on. Because for us, for day traders, Tokyo, London, and New York session, 3 of them are different each and every time, right? So you are going to have plenty of time to do your trade. If you are trading only 1 session, okay, then all right, skip that day, forget about the trading, do different stuff, do whatever you want, enjoy your free day. So with that being said, guys, again, do your own research, do your own homework before trying to start trading, before being in a rush to trade, right? Don't forget to prepare yourself, because very often we are blaming many other things, many other factors for our stops, all right, being hit, but the truth is that we should blame ourselves. We were not prepared enough to take this or that particular trade. So wish you great next trading session. With that being said, all the best, stay safe, see you around, take care, and goodbye.